國際消息來看，美國紐約的帝國大廈是出現一對來自羅西亞的愛人仔，竟然是無經過許可、無任何安全防護設備，就爬起了400多公尺懸的帝國大廈頂懸求婚。這兩個人隨着予警方來逮捕，也面臨着非法入侵、甲危害公共安全等等的罪名。
7月初1中晝時啊，佇紐約帝國大廈天線頂懸超過443公尺的懸度，這對佇烏色面大的羅西亞極限爬壁正盤，摳烏色的布條，頂懸寫“當愛的力量贏過權力，世界才通享受和平”的標語。原底掠準只是表達和平訴求的行動，也毋過兩個人退轉去平台了後，遂開始求婚，因為拄啊好是中晝食飯時間，真濟曼哈頓民眾挖過去看。
Just sitting over here on my lunch break, and then I just saw a flag, and I was like, I thought it was like for the 4th of July or something, a new edition.
這對羅西亞極限爬壁的正盤是今年33歲女性尼科勞，也有32歲男性比爾庫斯，因為常常佇世界各地咧爬壁，佇網絡是真青。Netflix 捌佇2024年甲因的故事翕做紀錄片，這屆因空手去爬紐約帝國大廈，也互來看卡球賽的遊客驚一條。
Not our first visit to New York, but and it's not our first visit up the Empire State Building. But it's crazy. It's like being in the movies.
I was thinking, how did they get through security? I mean, if you've ever been up to the observatory, it's really intense security. You go through metal detectors, all sorts of things. I just can't believe that they, made it past a certain point at all.
兩個人佇帝國大廈頂懸停差不多半點鐘了後才離開，就隨後警方以危害公共安全等罪嫌甲抓起來。專家表示，兩個人爬壁的行動毋但危險，閣較顯示大廈有安檢的空隙，這兩個人有可能互人送辦起訴。公司新聞，警官慶編譯。